game? Yeah. Ready to switch sides? Yeah. You guys ready to switch sides?
We've been ready for a while now.
Alright. I took a piss and came back and the game was over. I didn't know what the hell you did. That's what happens when I'm not on watch. To get my flag taken. It's not gonna happen next game. Let's go, let's switch sides. Huh? Yeah. Safety, switch sides, let's do it. You guys should have lots of ammo. It's fucked up. I gotta mess with it. Yeah, right.
What is the gap?
Electric.
Electric, really?
Yeah.
How did they cost?
Cost me about 60.
You stole all your pistols already? Stole all your pistols?
I gotta put them on Craigslist. I got a SIG. I'm gonna keep that one.
I want to keep one.
Yeah, the 6. I like 6 for some reason. The Beretta, the Glock.
How much is the Glock?
85. Full metal.
Full metal one?
Huh?
It worked?
Huh?
It worked, right?
Brand new.
What's that for?
300 something. It's good.
What do you buy this?
Yeah, that's.
I want a pistol instead of this. This guy gets my way a lot.
Yeah, it just depends on what you like. You know, I just. That's all I've been using. Trusty shotgun.
It works, but I like to stay like with 5 and play people because I'm always in like long distance battle all the time. And I never want to realize full stuff like this, but see, I can't really.
I'm always moving. Always.
One shot different speed. I think hurts too. Shove the shoulder with that. I'm like, oh.
Only time I stop is the reload.
Those hooks will knock off either. That was so good.
Yeah, that's why it's good.
We need to get this power for to get him behind us.
I was getting murdered, but I was just getting lit up. I was like,
I know, please wear the whole thing. You should have put the whole thing.
I was, but I was like, no, but I mean, I'm geared up because I want to do the hardest part. Hey, let's switch sides, let's go! Hey,
where's the next one?
Red team watch. Red team watch. You guys know, how'd they get the flag? They just went up and got it?
I was guarding it, and I turned around and I thought I was one of you guys. I was like, oh crap.
One of us is going to be grabbing our flag. Shoot them anyway.
How many people did we have leave just now?
Two. I dropped out? Yeah, 2. We were supposed to have at least 10 more, and they dropped out. That's why I knew today was going to be big. It's perfect right now. This is exactly, you know.
When you showed up, there's only like 4 or 5 cars. Like, damn, it's probably not.
Everybody shows up late for my games. I don't know. Well, actually, for everywhere. It's just once it gets going, non-stop. I want non-stop action. I want at least 10 games. Knock out 10 games.
Hey, go back 11.
I don't know, but hurry up.
Joel has it. Really? I think so.
Hurry up.
Joel, where's your... He's out there already. Oh,
What is recording?